Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And what I want to share with you today is how I get multiple decimal places on my Delta, Theta, Vega on the TDAmeritrade platform. So this is going to be a quick tip for you guys on that ToS platform. So stay tuned. All right, so what I want to do is show you how I get multiple decimal places. But before I do that, don't forget, if you're brand new to trading options, you can go to our website, tradersfly.com. There's a lot of getting started things for option trading. And when you go to the freebies, there's even a mini free trading course for beginners for option trading. So take a look at that. There's a ton of great freebies there. All right, let's kick things off and let's see what I'm talking about. So when I'm looking at my positions, let's look at, for example, AMD maybe, or Pinterest. Let's see if I got AMD. Okay, so here's what I'm talking about is when you look at these decimal places, I'll zoom in for all of us who are getting older. You can see I've got like 3 decimal places, okay? Whereas a lot of people have 2. And also another great thing is when you go into the trade tab and I look at the items here, I can see my delta's got 3 decimal places. So how do I do that? And I like this because it's more precise. If you're looking for a 20 delta, and sometimes it's like, ooh, is that an 18 and a half, or is that a 19, or is it more close to an 18, blah, 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 something else. So in order to get it closer, what we'll do is we'll go to the setup all the way at the top. We'll go to application settings. We're gonna go to look, let's see, display, and you can see there's decimal places for Greeks, and I can go up to 5. Let's start with 5 decimal places. And now you can see I can be very, very precise. It's like I can be all the way 5 decimal places. Not that you really need that. I think 2 is the general that they have it as a default, but I think 3 is nice. So that's why I have it at 3. So one more time, we're gonna go to setup here at the top. We'll go to application settings. Once you're there, you'll be under display, decimal places for Greeks, and I will just do 3, okay? So there we go, boom, and now we're back to 3 decimal places. That also allows you to see 3 decimal places right there, and much more cool stuff. So anyways, with that being said, don't forget the freebies if you're interested in getting those. And thanks very much for joining me. Feel free to grab some of them by clicking the link over here, subscribe to the channel, or watch other great videos. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.